Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today I'm very excited to be unboxing a pair of Ana Luisa earrings. I purchased these earrings on the Ana Luisa website because I was curious to see what all the hype was about. I am a big fan of freshwater pearls and was very happy to find these. They are, as a first impression, beautifully made. They are brass plated with 14 karat gold overlay, and the freshwater pearls are attached. Freshwater pearls are beautiful because they're not symmetrical like a typical pearl. Nature is what shapes them. These earrings are called Nuria, designed by Nuria Ma. They are very lightweight, and I really appreciate how they came packaged in this pouch and on this earring backing, I guess, for lack of a better term. When you put these earrings on, they can really dress up or dress down an outfit. They're perfect for casual and for a night out. When you look at them, they sit beautifully on your ear, and I really appreciate that you can put the stud backing on it because I've lost so many dangly or hoop earrings that way. Here's a quick mod shot, and as you can see, they're not too long, but they're just the right size. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for future content.